all luxury tours, because you did mention just you'll a niche, you'll do ad hoc tours, but what is that demand, or I would like to say irritant, if you have any, that you have to address, which can be very pressurizing sometimes, or is it easy handling, women from probably the rich and the very rich?
I think I've always been very, very comfortable dealing with the men. Okay? I mean, it's much easier to deal with them. They are very tough. They know what they want. Their mindsets are so frozen that if you want to unfreeze it, it's a bigger challenge. They come preset. They have their preconceived notions. They learn from 10 different people, and then they kind of push you to accept what they want. Okay, they push you to accept what they want. Now the fact is, women in today's time, ranging women, I think is an extremely educated woman. She knows what she wants. She knows so much she wants. So to change her mindset is a little bit of a challenge. She comes with what she wants to do. And it's at times that I look at their husbands for support, because I think they will be probably able to change the strong mindset. Besides that, they are very systematic in all their handling. They know what they come and plan. They sit, they detail, and I'm sure all of us have experienced it. They're far more aggressive in their negotiations. They're far more tougher in their pricing. They want this room, and they want this hotel, and they want this service, and they want this tour. I somehow find it easier when I have a man across the board. I mean, I know I can get away with murder, and he'll accept whatever I sell to him. But to deal with a woman is, today's times, I think, a much tougher challenge. She's very, very educated. She's been through all her research. She's come prepared. She's got notes that, sometimes I say, where did you get this from? So it's that kind of information. They're very savvy. And they talk a lot amongst themselves, which is our natural trait. So they've figured what they want, and I think we have a tougher challenge dealing with a woman than a man. They are very well read. They know their stuff.
Yesterday when I was talking to you on the phone, I'd said almost the same thing, that, it's easier to deal with guys. But no, nowadays they have also improved. All the ladies, they know how to, because the people like us also, we're not going to take their shit. Sorry for the language, but we are not going to just say that, okay, whatever you say. We try to reason with them. We try to tell them that why we are saying no or yes to a certain thing, because it might not happen the way they are thinking. I mean, they just decide that it will happen like this, but, point-wise, it doesn't happen when you're traveling. You have to keep some leeway, which they have started understanding of late. I mean, I have come across certain people who have started understanding those things. But yes, when they started traveling alone by themselves, it was a challenge. Nowadays, I'm facing a little less. I mean, they have understood that.
Okay, so basically you're saying that she's tough, but she's aware and she is understanding.
She is
Fantastic.
understanding.